In the parliament, it is the Uniform Civil Code chorus that is now growing. Law Minister Kiren Rijiju batting for the UCC. This, remember, could be the big flashpoint and one of the big issues for 2024 elections time as well. Kiren Rijiju, the minister, said and has stated that states can enact the UCC laws under Article 44. Remember, he is also the Law Minister, and therefore his comments gain additional significance about the Uniform Civil Code. Law Minister Kiren Rijiju has now batting for the UCC and said states can enact UCC laws under Article 44. Let's quickly bring in Anisha Mathur for the latest on that. So it's not a random neta or a minister this time. It is the Law Minister speaking, Anisha. So when he says states can enact the UCC, what does that mean? Because in Madhya Pradesh, in Gujarat, there are already these chorus and statements that have started to come.
Well, Pooja, what the Law Minister is trying to suggest is for the law, it's something that is going to create a huge political drama and debate in the country. But legally, if you look at it, the states, as far as the succession law is concerned, as far as inheritance laws are concerned, as far as even marriage, etc. are concerned, because a lot of these issues are state subjects.
Correct.
Individual states, to a certain extent, particularly when it comes to Succession Act, etc., can enact certain legislations, but that is also a limited power. Why the Law Minister is saying something this big is something that will have to be debated in the Parliament, because remember, there are petitions pending before the Supreme Court also asking for uniform divorce laws, uniform age of marriage, uniform succession laws, and this is something that will need to be debated. And we've seen the law Commission also suggesting that there is no need for a UCC. We have enough laws that can regulate, that can be sort of clarified across the board when it comes to different laws. Now, constitutionally, our country has given protection to the religious practices and cultural observances. And that is why we have a separate Hindu Succession Act, we have a separate Muslim law, we have a separate act for the Christians and Parsis. Now, if with the Law Minister making such a statement, this is going to create a huge political debate, particularly in the states which are already looking at this Hindu-Muslim issue, which are already raising this religious agenda. But the big question is, how exactly are you going to bring about something called a Uniform Civil Code? Because remember, it is not just about one religion. Bringing in a UCC means that you have a code which regulates
and who will have the authority really? Will it be the states completely, or will it be at the center? There will be a lot of legal hassles here, but it is the big issue, Uniform Civil Code, which will replace individual religious groups and their practices as per law, and that it will be one code that will be formulated, implemented as the code and as the law for different practices, whether it's succession or marriage, etc. All of that. So it could be a big flashpoint coming up. Kiren Rijiju as a Law Minister saying states can enact. We'll have to now look at what reactions coming in from other parties. Anisha, thank you very much for now.